Washington, El Gallo Negro. Gerald, it was easy work, one round. Are you a little disappointed that you weren't able to go a little bit longer to get a little more work and get more rounds?
I like to feel the guy out for the first round and get into my groove and then work from there and build up from there. I didn't really get an opportunity to do my thing. But you gotta take them as they come. I'm not complaining. First round knockout, there's nothing wrong with that. But I definitely do like to box a little bit and do my thing a little more.
So tell your fans why they call you El Gallo.
They call me El Gallo Negro. My mother's from Mexico. My father's African American. So I just combined the two, the black rooster, and it's a fighting bird. And I protect mine. So I'm going all the way to the top with it.
And do you know any Spanish?
I grew up I grew up speaking Spanish. I went to school in San Juan de los Lagos, Jalisco. I went to school there with my madrina, Teresa, and rest in peace.
And what do you want next?
I'm just working my way up and just building, just working, trying to improve every fight. We're working on different things every time, just trying to get better because we know it gets a lot harder at the top. And they're not all going to fold like that, so we got to work hard and be ready to do all the rounds.
Well, congratulations and see you on the next one.
All right, thank you. Take care.